Bore-da, good morning, and today I'm at the Robert Price Sustainable Energy Centre here in Newport. It's a centre, if you're not familiar with it, that showcases all the great net zero solutions, lots of different technologies and solutions for future warm home living, which is what we all want. But today's Damp and Mould Day at the Robert Price Centre, and a lot of manufacturers and suppliers who provide damp and mould solutions, whether that's technology or wall insulation, things like that, are gathering today to present their wares. And as TPAS, I've come along to see it with really two aims, I think. One is I want to see what the new solutions are, new thinking is around damp and mould in social housing. But I also want to challenge some of them as well. We know some of the solutions haven't always met the tenant test when it comes to implementing them and getting them working in homes. So, yeah, I think it's a bit of inspiration and challenge today, meeting different damp and mould suppliers. If you're interested in know how it got on or anything, or want to see a follow-up, comment down below and I can do a follow-up after the day.